This is my rhododendron. Somebody said they really liked this bush that's next to these hostas, and it is a rhododendron. And here it is when it is blooming. And rhododendrons are known for their beautiful blooms. And I planted this rhododendron here in 1983, a year or so after I moved into this house. And you can see it's a beautiful bush. This is an evergreen, when these leaves do not fall off of the plant. They're there all winter long. The leaves are nice and kind of thick, and if you bent them with your hand, you could feel it. And I don't prune this bush or anything except for when it sticks out over the path that I walk by. And quite honestly, I have not given this rhododendron any special treatment at all in all the years. I may water some of my plants a lot, but I don't water as much as I used to, that's for sure. But rhododendrons have shallow fibrous roots. Rhododendron, the name rhododendron itself actually means rose tree in Greek. And there are thousands of rhododendrons and that have been bred, and 25,000 cultivars that are hybrids. But there's over 1,000 species. And they say that they like acid soil, but as you can see, I never ever check pH. I don't bother with that stuff. And I do improve my soil with organic matter. I think that's very important. So I throw leaves in the flower beds, especially from the lawnmower. That's really good. But I never rake inside my flower beds. So that's what I do to take care of my plants, to give them a lot of organic material. And here you can see I've got this ground cover of lamium underneath of it. But it's been growing here for years. And I just love watching this bloom every spring. It would actually be kind of nice for it if I would actually add a 2 or 3 inch mulch at the bottom. But this has not been affected by any diseases or anything. And I just love watching this bloom every spring. There's actually 2 of them here. And the other one is white, but it hasn't done near as well as this kind of fluorescent red one. It actually is kind of a fluorescent red color. And you can see down in there now all that lamium that's just grown there over the years. But I don't know why the white one didn't get as good. But that's okay, because I don't actually like white flowers. But I simply love this rhododendron. And this here is on the morning sun, is all this gets here. The sun comes over on the back corner of the house and goes over the house and sets on the front corner, on the opposite front corner. So this only gets morning sun. And they don't like full bright sun. They like dappled shade, just partial sun to dappled shade, but not deep shade. All plants need some sun. So this gets morning sun, and that's just about it. Well, I hope you liked my rhododendron, and if you did like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. And thanks, and bye, and I will see you next time. Bye.